Welcome to Nandakchi channel. In this episode, I'm gonna bake a special festive cake for New Year's Eve. Let's get started. Butter, powdered sugar, yolks, vanilla, lemon zest. Mix thoroughly. Add flour in several steps. Knead well. Open the dough to a diameter of half a centimeter and cut it. Use the frame to straighten. Cut into rounds and refrigerate for 1 hour. Bake for 18 minutes. Whipped cream. Arrange the layers one by one. Moisten the biscuit with some milk. Creme Patissiere. Chopped banana. Okay, I'm done for today. Enjoy your fresh cake and cheers to the new year. Thank you for watching and happy baking.